Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today I'm going to show you on how to charge your A6 smartwatch. Let's go! Okay guys, once again, this is Josh here and welcome back to my channel. And we have here our A6 smartwatch. As you remembered guys, I made a video about this A6 smartwatch, but unfortunately it wasn't able to boot up. And now I am so happy because it is back again. I really don't know what's the reason, but I was trying to charge it before for a whole night, but it was not able to wake up. So this is how you're going to charge your smartwatch guys. So first is you have here the clip charger. Okay, and at the back of your smartwatch you can see here the sensor and also the charging nodes here. So you just have to place that one all together, yeah, like this. So just try to clip this and make sure that the clip or the pins are also in place. And after that we are going to connect this one to our power bank, and it is charging guys. And if you don't have any power bank, so I recommend you to use the Samsung adapter. I'm sorry guys, it's so dirty. Yes, so you can use any adapter. Yeah, but I actually tried to use the fast charger and it was not able to charge. So maybe you just have to use a not fast charging adapter. Alright, so as you can see, it's already charging guys. And okay, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and on my next video I will be testing the counter steps of the A6 smartwatch, and let's try to make a comparison also. So let's check if how accurate it is. Okay, so again guys, this is Josh and I'll see you on my next video.